Professor Monte, and let's look at solving compound inequalities. All right, so a compound inequality is an inequality sort of like this, where you get stuff in the middle and you get stuff on each of the outsides. The key is when working with a compound inequality, try to solve for the variable in the middle, but anything you do in here to the middle, you have to do both outsides. All right. Remember, with inequalities, I multiply or divide by a negative number. I have to flip the inequality. Anything else, I don't. So let's start this out. I'm going to rewrite this problem because I don't want to mess up my original problem, but I'm trying to get x by itself. So I'm looking at this just like I would solve an equation. I'm going to need to multiply by 6. So I'm going to multiply this by 6, this by 6, this by 6. And remember, I'm multiplying by a positive number, so I don't have to flip the inequality. These 6's canceled. Don't distribute it in here. It's gone. It's canceled with this. It's a 1. If I distribute it, 1's not going to change it. So on the outside, I get negative 24 less than or equal to. Remember, that's still there. I don't flip it because I'm multiplied by a positive number. Is less than 6. And now I keep going. Subtract the 3. Again, don't flip the inequality. I get negative 27 less than or equal to 2x less than positive 3. Divide by 2. Again, it's a positive, so don't flip anything. Negative 27 halves less than or equal to x less than 3 halves. And I'm done. In inequality notation, it just looks like that. If I want to go to interval notation, we bracket negative 27 thirds, comma 3 halves, parentheses. Interval notation, inequality notation. Same thing here. Let's do another example. I'm looking in the middle and I'm saying, okay, how do I get that x by itself? Well, I need to subtract the 9 first. Remember, it's usually easier to subtract before you divide. So I subtract 9, I get negative 4 less than negative 4x less than 8. Now to get rid of that negative 4, since it's multiplied by the x, obviously I have to divide by negative 4. And anything I do to the middle, I have to do to the outsides. But remember, if you multiply by a negative number, or in this case, divide by a negative number, I have to flip my inequalities. So this becomes positive 1 greater than x and greater than negative 2. Now notice on a number line, negative 2 is to the left of 1. This says it's anything between those two numbers. It's going to be this interval right here. It's going to look like that. The reason I point that out is because in interval notation, you always have to go left to right. So we need to write this as negative 2, comma 1. That's my interval notation. And a lot of times teachers, I would accept this as an answer. Your teacher may not. Your teacher may say, again, even in inequalities, I want you to go left to right. So you go negative 2 less than x less than 1, which is what this, notice it's x greater than negative 2. That still says x greater than negative 2. So all I've done is I've changed the order. It's not the same as the flipping inequalities like I did when I multiply by a negative or divide by a negative. Okay, so again, and either one of these would probably work. Again, ask your teacher what they want. But that's the idea. Keep the x in the middle. Whatever you do to isolate the x in the middle, you have to do to both outsides.